Hi, and today I'm making a paper balloon. Hope you like it, so let's do it. First, you all have to make first you need a square sheet of paper. So you could buy it or just cut it from a normal piece of paper. But I bought it. So first you'll have to start with a square. You'll have to make a X. So turn it like here, a diamond, fold it down. Turn it, do the same. Okay, now you turn it. It looks like a X in the square. Fold the X in half. Open it. Fold this edge to this middle line. Do the same for the other. Unfold, turn it, fold it in half again. Now just repeat what you did last time. Okay, now just to make sure every fold is good, crease all the creases more. Crease it. Okay, now you should see 12 squares and a X in the middle. Now you turn it like a diamond, and this part is pretty hard. So let's say this dot is point A, point B, and point D. Okay, so now you take this edge, fold it onto point A, and then unfold it, and then fold it to point B. And then unfold it, fold it to point C. But don't fold it into this point. So you'll have to do it to every 4 sides. Okay, now unfold all, turn it until it looks like a square. Now fold it like this. Do the same to all the rest of the 4 sides. Now it should look like this. Fold it in half. Now turn it around and around. If one of them are like this, unfold it, open it, put it back in. Because we don't want those hanging out. So now I'm going to mark somewhere. Okay. And I recommend this. I recommend marking it it will make it much easier. Okay, good. Now you just have to open this, tuck it in. You might have to just fold this a little bit like this over here, turn it around. You should see that I've also marked this spot, and then fold it in half. Do the same for the other side. It might be hard a little bit, but I'm sure you'll get used to it. Okay, like this. It should look like this now. And if you folded it right, turn it here, hold the two flaps, open it. It should look like this. Now close it. Okay. Now, as you see, there's two flaps. Take the first flap, fold it to over here. I'll mark it for you. It's basically, this point goes to the end of the second diamond. So you fold it right at that dot. Now you take this triangle, fold it back over here. Now, as you see, if you open this, you should see a little pocket. So what you're going to do is tuck this into here. So what you'll have to do is take this up, bend it a little bit, and then tuck it in. It might be a little bit hard at first, but you'll get used to it. Okay, good. Now do it to the rest 3 sides. Turn it around, do it again. This is the last one. The last one, you have to fold the triangle on this triangle. Now you're done. All you have to do is turn it around, find the little hole, and I found it now. Now hold on the 2 opposite sides and then blow in the hole while stretching gently. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.